Hello, this is Mary Chibb with Bentley Systems. Have you ever had your curtain wall or storefront all modeled, maybe with some custom profiles you created for mullions or frames, and you have adjusted mullion locations and customized the joints, and then the designer, or maybe the engineer, determines that the profile dimensions need to be adjusted? You may wonder if there's an easy way to update the profile without rebuilding the entire curtain wall or storefront. And there is. So in this example, I had created a custom mullion profile with a cap extension on the front. And I have used that profile on several of the curtain wall systems, including the storefront and the clear story windows. Now the designer has decided that he would like the cap extension to be smaller but wider. How can I universally make that change to the entire system? So I think the simplest way is to create a new variation of the profile. Link the new variation to the profile catalog item, and then simply update the curtain wall definitions. I'm going to start by navigating to the curtain wall profile library that I set up. And opening the mullion profile type 1 that I created and used in this system. This variation, 65 by 150 by 50, is the variation I'm currently using in the model. So I will duplicate that and then rename the new variation. Now I will leave most of the variables the same, but I will modify the cap width to 50 and the cap depth to 15. I'll apply the new variation, and that looks like what I want. Now I will go ahead and update the catalog item as well. So the catalog item I am using for the mullions in my system is called Project Mullion Type 1. I'm simply going to change the profile variation that is linked to it. So I'm using the same cell, just selecting the new variation. I'll save the changes. Now I will browse back to my design model. One important thing to be aware of is that the profile cells are saved in the design file as shared cell definitions. Before updating the curtain wall, you need to compress those shared cell definitions out of the file. So run a compress on the file. Once that is done, select the Architectural tab and select the Update Curtain Wall Definitions option. All the curtain wall definitions will be updated, meaning that all the mullion type 1 profiles will be updated with the new dimensions of the new variation.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.